Hey guys, Uncle Pip here. Today is extremely windy. We've had a lot of wind here on the farm for a good bit. It's been pretty bad. So that's why I'm recording inside the truck for the time being, and then I can dub some audio over the outside stuff. Otherwise the wind is going to be pretty bad. But I wanted to give a quick Jeep update and show you guys the latest and greatest that we have on the farm. Please join me. And here's the new addition. I bought a 1961 CJ5. As you can tell, there's a little bit of work that needs done to it still. But that's the latest and greatest. We just got this yesterday. Got it offloaded. Of course, I put it in the row of Jeeps. In the last video, I said I'd show you how I'm packaging those Jeeps, or how I'm tucking them away. And that's the CJ2A right here, and the Ford GPW is behind it. And I think we're going to show you here in a minute how I have those wrapped up. But again, there's the CJ5, the new family member. And there's the back side of the other two Jeeps. Alright, so this will be take 2 of the unmasking. Nothing to it. Ain't that right, Twix?